In our Halloween episode, today we're going to be baking my family's secret, delicious, homemade sugar cookie recipe from scratch. We will then use delightfully spooky cookie cutters and have fun decorating pumpkins, bats, and ghosts. These cookies are scrumptious and add ghostly joy to any Halloween festivity. And I'm lucky enough to have my mom here with me today to help me make these wonderful cookies. All right, well, I am so happy to have you here with me today, Mom, to make this really historic recipe for our family.
This is a recipe from your grandmother, my mother-in-law.
Uh-huh.
It's a wonderful recipe.
It is. These are the best sugar cookies I've ever had in my life. So I think we start with the mixed dry ingredients. So it's 5 cups of flour, I believe.
1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon salt.
And mix them together. And we're done with step 1. Now we're going to go ahead and put the wet ingredients in and make the dough. So we're going to start with 1 cup of shortening goes in there. All right, it kind of looks like ice cream, doesn't it? Then you're going to do 2 cups of granulated sugar, and I am using cane sugar because that's what I really like. Next up, we're going to cream it until it's sort of light and fluffy and creamy, and you see what light and fluffy looks like. Now, you get it started again, and then you're gonna beat in the eggs.
Yes, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then 1 cup of sour cream.
Sour cream.
It's pretty much the secret ingredient.
So now we're going to bring in the dry ingredients from earlier. And we're going to change to the dough hook. We're going to put it into a Tupperware, any kind of storage. You could just keep it in this mixing bowl if you wanted to. Put a little cling wrap over it. And then you put it in the fridge. 3 hours minimum to get it nice and chilled. But we like to leave it in overnight because it's lovely. And then you have 2 days of really fun activity of making these cookies. Tupperware is covered and it's ready to go into the refrigerator. What do you think, Mom? You want a little taste?
Let me see here. Very good.
It's ridiculous. It's so good.
Pardon me.
Oh, please. The next step in making our wonderful Halloween cookies, take the sugar cookie dough out of the refrigerator, and you're going to take just a section of it, about yay big, and you're going to preheat your oven to 375, which we've already done. Flour this dough, and then you're going to just roll it out. We have these really, really fun cookie cutters today. We have a little ghost, a little pumpkin, and a bat. And I'll put a link in the description so that you can check them out if you love them. Now we put them in for approximately 10 minutes, but you check them for sure at least 8 minutes. Okay, so I have been told by the master chef that these cookies are ready to come out. So we're gonna get them right now. Oh, they look gorgeous. No browning around the edges, and you let them cool on this tray for 10 minutes before you transfer them to an actual cooling station. That's the best way to do it because they're going to keep on cooking on the inside, but that makes them real soft and delicious. So our next step, we're going to be frosting and decorating. The really fun part. So what we have is some chocolate frosting. This is actually white frosting that we dyed orange, and then we're going to have some white frosting as well. We have some candy eyeballs, which are so much fun. And then we have some traditional candy corn and a little bit of black writing gel. Well, here we are, and we have made a platter for a party that we're going to of our beautiful Halloween cookies. I think they turned out so great, Mom.
They're so cute.
Oh my gosh. So I just want to say thank you so much to you for being here, for baking with me, and for decorating. I had the most fun with you.
It's been great. Thank you for having me.
And I want to thank all of you for joining us too. And if you feel like this has given you some value and you've enjoyed yourself, I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. And so now all I feel that there's left to do is maybe to just enjoy
Here
the
we
cookies
go.
before we go to the party. We're going to sample one. What do you think, Mom?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yum.
These are so good. Cheers, everybody. I really can't stop.
They're very good.
They're very good. I haven't even gotten to the candy corn yet.